Hi, I'm Pat. I'm one of Dr. Bedikian's patients. I came to here only because a friend of mine had recommended him because I was going to another place and I was not getting the pain relief that I was getting, so I needed to find someone else. When I came here to see Dr. Bedikian, he took x-rays and that of my knee, and he told me that I needed a new knee. There was no changing it. So he took measurements and I needed to have a knee replacement, but it was going to be a custom knee. It took 6 weeks, but he made sure that I kept the pain at bay. He gave me some cream to use, and I was surprised when I went to Jewel to get the pain prescription filled. It was going to cost me $2,000. Oh, that's ridiculous. So I called up here and they found a place that I could actually get the pain medicine for $10. And that pain medicine is Pennsaid, and it worked like a dream. I could actually function normally. I love to mow the lawn. I am constantly busy. The knee itself, when they replaced it, I went to South Sub. The people there were wonderful, and he made sure that I got everything I needed, the exercises I needed. The knee fit properly. After the surgery was over, they had me do exercises right there in the hospital, which worked out very well. I was there for 3 days, and then when I came home, I had home health care come and take care of me, which they were all so wonderful because I guess they're on staff here. The nurse that came to do my physical therapy, he showed me different things to do to get through it. Well, within a week, I was walking normally, without a walker, without a cane. He was figuring out he didn't know what to do with me after that. He says, let's go for a walk outside. I'm thinking, well, do I take the cane? Do I take the walker? What do I take? He says, let's take the cane. Well, I walked down my stairs and walked out the front door, and he says, give me the cane. You're going to kill somebody with it. And we walked down the block and walked back, and there was no pain, none. And he showed me different exercises to do to overcome the pain. And I use very little pain medicine, but that Pennsaid works. If you can get your hands on any of that, use it. When I came to see him a week later, Chris, who was Dr. Bedikian's associate at the time, he was shocked when I got up and just walked into the room like a normal person. And when Dr. Bedikian came in to see me, he said, let me see your leg. And I just kicked my leg out from under the table. I said, here you go. And he just laughed. He says, you are the best. I said, no, you are. You actually took the pain away. But before I had him do my knee, I was functioning only because I'm a widow and I have to function. So I actually made it work. I worked against the pain, and with Dr. Bedikian's help, he got me through it. And here I am today telling you guys about it. Orthopedic, MidAmerica Orthopedic is top notch. I would come here in a heartbeat. I am planning on moving to Florida, and if my other knee goes, I'm coming back here to have it done. I'm not trusting anybody else because he knows his stuff. And his bedside manner is great. If you got a problem, he's right there to answer your questions and tell you anything you need to know. He explained the surgery, what he was going to do, and everything he said, he did. He promised and he followed through. I don't know what else to say other than I'm normal. You can't even tell that I have had a knee replacement.